Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Portmore and we are on the Portmore Expressway heading back into Kingston. So this road is a part of Highway 2000, so it's a toll road, and we just went through. We're in a SUV, so it's considered class 2, and the toll is $550. I can't remember ever paying so much for the toll on this road. It must have gone up recently, but it is what it is. Alright, so this is a 6-lane road, and straight ahead where you see those cranes, that is the Kingston Wharf. The name of the port is the Kingston Container Terminal, and that's the largest port in Jamaica. I think it's the largest port in the Caribbean as well. I'm not 100% sure. Alright, we're now going to come up to a bridge. Now, recently it was said that the Rio Mena Bridge in Maypen is the widest bridge in Jamaica. It's under construction and it is wide. And persons were saying the Harborview Bridge, which is also 4 lanes, is wider, but this bridge, the Causeway Bridge, is 6 lanes. So a lot of persons were saying this they think is the widest bridge in Jamaica. We have videos up of the Harborview Bridge and the Rio Mena Bridge. You can search for widest bridge in Jamaica or longest bridge. And now that I'm looking at this bridge again, this bridge looks wider. NWA, National Works Agency, they are responsible for all the bridges in Jamaica. And they are the ones who said when finished, the Rio Mena Bridge will be the widest bridge in Jamaica. It is wide. I must say, now that the bridge is almost complete, you can actually see the lanes. It is a wide bridge in Clarendon. The Rio Mena Bridge is in Clarendon. The Harborview Bridge is in St. Andrew. And we just went over the Causeway Bridge, which would be St. Catherine. So Causeway Bridge is very wide, but so is the Rio Mena Bridge. So we'll have to defer to the NWA because they are the ones in charge of all the bridges. So although the Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes and the Rio Mena Bridge is 4 lanes and the Harborview Bridge is 4 lanes, NWA says it's the widest bridge is going to be the Rio Mena Bridge when completed. So we just have to go along with what they say, but the Causeway Bridge is very wide. Alright, so at some point we would pass from the boundary from St. Catherine to St. Andrew, or into Kingston, sorry. Alright, we're now coming off the Portmore Expressway and we're going to head on to Hagley Park Road and head up to Halfway Tree. now going over the 3 miles overpass. This is the Hagley Park Road overpass. Below it is a Spanish Town Road overpass. This is a double overpass. So the top road, the one we're on, is Hagley Park Road. The one below us is Spanish Town Road. And the one, below the Spanish Town Road overpass is the regular road, the main road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.